Okay guys, so this is going to be a video that's a little different than the normal. First off, at the time of filming this, we are less than 2 weeks from opening. So things have been crazy hectic. I haven't gotten a lot of videos out and I'm sorry about that. It's just been busy. Also, to anyone out there by the name of Margot, we appreciate all of your support. Thank you so much. And we're going to take really good care of Ben. I promise. In fact, to both Margot and anyone else out there watching, I'm going to throw in some fun clips at the very end of Ben and us through the years, just to let you know that it's going to be okay. And hopefully they don't get him in too much trouble. All right, guys. So, in our bathroom, you've seen that we have a little hole, and we need to put all of our drains tied to that pipe. So I'm going to dig that out a little bit to get to it. And then I'm going to build backwards from there. My toilet, a vent, this sink, come across, out the wall, into the sink outside. Hopefully, this wall goes smoothly. Alright, the view isn't great, but this is what you got. So we can clear some dirt out of here. Battery. Well, that's not going to be quite as much progress as I wanted today because the hole still has water in it. Even though I dug out 5 gallons worth of dirt, I got my pipe cut off where I like it. I'm going to wait until that drains, then I can go ahead and glue everything on. Alright, so first piece of plumbing that I need to put together is going to be my adapter to go from 4-inch down to 3-inch. And then from that, I've got this elbow that has a little side spout on it. That's going to run up to my toilet. This is going to run over to my vent. So those need to go together. Got a little piece of 3-inch PVC pipe to be my intermediary. And let me link those up. Prep it with some red Scotch-Brite. Just kind of clean up the surface so that the glue will bond really well. Everything gets a good seal. Got primer and glue. Get these opened up. It's purple. Hopefully that's what I need. Okay, so it's been a few days since the plumbing hole thing was filled up. So, now that it's all drained out, dug out, that's going to be my toilet. Comes over, it'll be my drain, vent out, sinks tie in through this cute little manifold. This line goes through the wall and will tie into this sink. I have to cut it off right there where it's marked. So I'm going to get after it, get everything glued together, and then plumbing is done inside the building. All right, so as you guys know, I didn't have any experience doing plumbing before this, but I have some now. And I would like to say, all of my PVC pipe for my drains have been done. We can go ahead and run some water in. Goes down, comes across, shoots through here, and there you go. The drains all work. The sinks are hooked up. All I have left is one water line to drop down to my toilet, mount my toilet, and mount my vent. Saw this mark on the driveway. Alan did a donut in his zero turn, and it looks like a giant cinnamon roll. There could have also been shenanigans in which somebody may or may not have tried to race around one vehicle going up the driveway right here. Hey guys, so it happened again. I wasn't here, Alan was, he was working, and he knocked it out of the park. Septic, done. Back lot, graded out the rest of the way. Look around here. This has all been extended way out, opened up, absolutely killer looking. Plenty of space to bring something down here and turn it around, whatever you need to do. Driveway, nice little curve added into it to avoid where we had our water issue. And it's nice and wide now. All of the rest of the grading work across the front has been finished out. This thing looks awesome. We are so ready to get going. One last little thing has to be done over here. That's why there's still dirt piled up for a manifold, but everything is good. Also, if you note, our nest is no longer here. While I wasn't here, our baby birds hatched. So we're gonna find them, and I'm told they are absolutely adorable. So they're roaming around somewhere. Alan said they've been everywhere from up front here to around in the back of the shop and out in the field. So we'll check in on them and see the end of this saga with our bird as well. Okay, I have found mama and babies. They are out here hanging out. Mama, you're okay. You're okay, mama. Look at these little things. That one's even got itself a worm. They are very tiny. They're roaming around. This is actually my little sister's putting up a house out here. They're over here, so there are 4 of them. We got 1 roaming around over there. There are 2 right there. And mom is kind of concerned over here, but we are all doing good. Okay guys, so we had that hole in the floor. We needed to fix it. We filled it in, packed it down with sand. Now I've got the bucket of concrete. I'm gonna pour concrete in, start leveling it off. See how this works out. Okay, I am back with more concrete. Okay guys, I need more concrete. Got a little bit more in here and get this leveled off even with the floor. Okay, open the 3rd bag of concrete here, and we're going to finish this out. think that looks pretty good. It's like it never happened. And just like that, we have a functional bathroom. Toilet is installed and everything is ready to go. Okay, now for those fun clips I promised you guys. Ben has been an incredible friend over the last several years. We got to know him through the Matco Tool program. He was a distributor in Maryland. We've gone on all sorts of crazy adventures with him, with the biggest being last year when we bought $1,000 junk cars in Las Vegas and drove them all the way across the country over the course of 4 days back to North Carolina. We've also been to Stowe, Ohio, out to California, down to Orlando, and hung out here in North Carolina. So we are so excited to have him down here, and he is going to make an incredible addition to the Golden Door Garage.
We are not going to take this one at high speeds because safety first. I'm not wearing a helmet. Helmets are important. So bad.
This is why we don't pierce ourselves, Ben.
This is why we don't wear fucking helmets. It's fucking stupid.
I'm
a pierced ear to just having a fucking broken. Go ahead. I'll take this loss.
Yeah.
Doesn't hurt that bad. I did. Ow, it hurts a little bit.
Just like his fender. It's got a hole in it. Hey Ben, you should get this looked at.
Is it like a vent hole? Is it gonna cool my motor down?
Yeah.
Well, I'm still here at Alan's house. Y'all remember that video I posted? Caleb throwing a tire on my windshield? You know how rude that was? And then I ran into his vehicle and it just backfired on me. Well, the thing is Caleb's not here. And I have the keys to his car.
Oh, wait a minute. What's he doing?
So yesterday evening, made it to Alan's house. We completed the 2,200 miles from Vegas to North Carolina. And you may ask, why am I still in the vehicle? Well, I'm going to try to get this bitch back to Maryland. Alright, car is still alive, which is good. Just going to take it a nice soft cruise around the fields because my brother might want to go for a ride. Maybe. We'll see. I mean, oh, driveway's gone. I don't know what happened to the driveway. Whoa! But we're gonna see what happens. Why not? We'll go right here. Holy shit! Just gonna take her for her last leisurely cruise. Leisurely cruise. Jesus Christ. Let's do that one more time. See how much more air we can get. These airbags are gonna go off and it's gonna suck. Oh my God.
And the next drink is called the hospital floor. Why is it called a hospital
Speed down on the highway.
Hey Mom, hey Dad, y'all don't worry about me. I'm just out here trying to conquer life. Just seems like life has been conquering me a little bit lately. That's okay though, I got God on my side. I love y'all.